Hi, I'm Archie, and welcome to AI Firelabs. We're a community interest company based in London, dedicated to making artificial intelligence education accessible, inclusive, and empowering for everyone, not just those with a tech background. We believe AI shouldn't be a mystery. It's a tool you can use for creativity, confidence, and community growth. Our mission is simple: to bridge the digital skills gap by helping people of all ages understand how AI works and how it impacts their everyday lives, from the apps we use to the creative tools shaping the future. Through hands-on workshops, interactive lessons, and real-world examples, we make learning AI practical, fun, and meaningful. You'll gain digital skills, confidence, and new ways to explore technology. No experience required. At AI Firelabs, we're not just teaching AI, we're helping communities learn, create, and thrive together. Join us and discover what's possible with artificial intelligence.